मित्रांनो, परीक्षेमध्ये जास्तीत जास्त गुण मिळविण्यासाठी सततचा सराव खूपच महत्त्वाचा असतो. आम्ही बनविलेले व्हिडिओज जर आपण पुन्हा पुन्हा पाहिले व शेवटपर्यंत पाहिले तर नक्कीच त्याचा खूप फायदा होईल. आपण टॉप स्कोरर बनाल, कारण प्रॅक्टिस मेक्स मॅन परफेक्ट. मित्रांनो, आम्ही आपल्यासाठी चांगले व्हिडिओज बनवत आहोत. जर तुम्ही आमचा चॅनल सबस्क्राईब कराल, आमचे व्हिडिओज इतरांना शेअर कराल, व्हिडिओजवर लाईक व कमेंट कराल, तर आम्ही तुमच्यासाठी जास्तीत जास्त व्हिडिओज घेऊन येऊ. आमचा माय बेस्ट गुरु चॅनल सबस्क्राईब बटनवर क्लिक करून सबस्क्राईब करा.
Hello friends, it's chapter number 11, Struggle for Equality. Question number 1, rewrite the statements by choosing the appropriate options. Into bracket, Lala Lajpat Rai, Sane Guruji, Rakhmabai Janardhan Save. 1. Founded the Red Cross Society at Rajkot. Rakhmabai Janardhan Save. 1. Rakhmabai Janardhan Save founded the Red Cross Society at Rajkot. 2. Was the president of Mill Workers Union at Amarner. Sane Guruji. Sane Guruji was the president of Mill Workers Union at Amarner. 3. The president of the first session of AITUC was Lala Lajpat Rai. 3. The president of the first session of AITUC was Lala Lajpat Rai. Question number 2. Write short notes. 1. Social work of Vittal Ramji Shinde. Answer. 1. Maharshi Vittal Ramji Shinde started the depressed classes mission to give self-respect to the Dalits, to make them educated and engage them in work to remove the false belief regarding the Dalits from the minds of the upper class people. 2. He started Marathi schools in different parts, Parel, Devanar in Mumbai. He actively took part for the benefit of Dalit class regarding Satyagraha for entry in Parvati temple at Pune. 3. Maharshi Vittal Ramji Shinde established a conference against the practice of Devdasi. 2. Reforms of Rajashri Shahu Maharaj in the state of Kolhapur. Answer. 1. Rajashri Shahu Maharaj supported to the leadership of Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar. He led the non-Brahmin movement. He declared revolutionary for reservation in Kolhapur. 2. He made a law for free and compulsory primary education. 3. He worked hard to take out caste system like interdining, intermarriage and change of occupation. He passed the Act of Intercaste Marriage and gave it a legal acceptance in his state. 4. On 22 February 1918, he abolished the Balutedari system by publishing a declaration in the Government Gazette of the state of Kolhapur. 5. People were freed from a type of social slavery. Question number 3. Explain the following statements with reasons. 1. The government decided to crush down the communist movement. Answer. 1. The Communist Party was formed in India in 1945. Shripad Amrut Dange, Muzaffar Ahmed, Keshav Nilkant Joglekar were the young leaders of the communist movement. 2. The young communists built the militant organization of workers and peasants. 3. The British government began to feel the danger of communist movement. Therefore, the government decided to crush down the communist movement. 2. Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar started newspapers like Muknayak, Bahishkrut Bharat, etc. Answer. 1. Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar wanted to bring principles of liberty, equality and fraternity in the society. 2. Newspaper was only the source to spread the social awareness by the time. 3. Newspaper was an integral part of Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar's movement. 4. It was very important to bring awakening in society and to voice their creed. Therefore, he started many newspapers with the purpose to spread his thoughts and ideas, to express his point of views regarding it. They aroused a need of nationwide workers' union. Answer. 1. Textiles, mills, railway companies and other such industries were started in the latter half of the 19th century. 2. The workers' group were not in a large scale as there were no unions. The workers were not organized. There was also rise of worker class in India after the First World War. Therefore, there aroused a need of nationwide workers' union. Question number 4. Answer the following questions in brief. 1. Why was the struggle for equality important in the making of modern India? Answer. 1. India got freedom but was socially backward because of the discrimination and inequality based on caste, religion, gender or economic status, etc. 2. For the development of modern India, it was very necessary to abolish inequality based on caste, religion, gender from the society. 3. Our great leaders understood that the development of modern India is not possible without equality. Therefore, they took some steps to bring equality in the society. 4. Therefore, the struggle for equality was important in the making of modern India. Various leaders like Dr. Ambedkar, Shahu Maharaj gave great contribution to the modern India. 2. Write about the work of Sane Guruji in Eastern Khandesh. Answer. 1. The crops in Eastern Khandesh were destroyed due to heavy rains. The condition of the farmers was miserable. 2. In order to get the land revenue waived Sani Guruji organized meetings and processions at many places. He took out marches on the collector office. He built the unity amongst the workers. He tried to create strong center of workers' union at Dhule Amarner. 3. He was the president of Mill Workers Union of Amarner. 4. He went on fast unto death to open the doors of Vittal temple at Pandharpur for Dalits. 3. How was the struggle built up by workers decisive for the national movement? Answer: 1. During 19th century, India started service of railways. The needs of the worker increased due to the development of the several textile mills, railway companies, many of the industries. As the rise of unemployed, the workers were exploited, their basic needs were not fulfilled. 2. As the workers were exploited, they went to the strike. For the betterment of the workers to solve the problems, it was very necessary to create the unity among the workers. Therefore, All Indian Trade Union Congress was established, that is AITUC, in 1920. 4. Lala Lajpat Rai, the president of the first session of AITUC, told the workers to actively participate in the national movement. 5. The Mumbai mill worker went to the strike in 1928 for the 6 months. Not only this, but also railway workers, jute mill workers, etc. went for the strike. During this, government faced problems. This gave rise to legislation and attempt to curb the protests. 4. Discuss the nature of reform movement related to women. Answer: 1. Some male reformers like Raja Ram Mohan Rai, Vidyasagar, etc. tried to uplift the female class in society. 2. Women participation in the public sphere increased in the 20th century, which saw a rise in the number of women involved in the national movement and revolutionary work. 3. Many women leaders came forward. They established some reforms like Pandita Ramabai established the Arya Mahila Samaj and Sharda Sadan. Ramabai Ranade founded Seva Sadan are examples of this. 4. Rakhmabai Janardhan Save was the first practicing woman doctor in India. She delivered series of lectures related to health issues of women.
मित्रांनो, आम्ही आपल्यासाठी चांगले व्हिडिओज बनवत आहोत. जर तुम्ही आमचा चॅनल सबस्क्राईब कराल, आमचे व्हिडिओज इतरांना शेअर कराल, व्हिडिओजवर लाईक व कमेंट कराल, तर आम्ही तुमच्यासाठी जास्तीत जास्त व्हिडिओज घेऊन येऊ. आमचा माय बेस्ट गुरु चॅनल सबस्क्राईब बटनवर क्लिक करून सबस्क्राईब करा.